Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to start our next topic of your chapter 8, that is trigonometric identities. So we have learned about these three trigonometric identities in which we will use these identities to solve the questions. Alright, so the first identity is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in this identity, the first ratio is sine and the second one is cos, and both the power is square, and the one condition is here that the angle of both of the ratio is same. If here angle is 30 degree, then here angle is also 30 degree. Clear? अगर sin स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री है तो प्लस cos स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री ही होगा, ठीक है, तभी उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. अगर डिफरेंट एंगल है, सपोज cos पे 60 है, यहाँ पर 30 है, फिर 1 वैल्यू नहीं है. क्लियर? ठीक है, और पावर दोनों के स्क्वायर ही होगी. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नॉट फॉर क्यूब, नॉट फॉर ओनली वन पावर. द वैल्यू इज 1 always when the power is square in both of this ratio. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. The second ratio is identity is 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. So in this the ratio is tan and second one is secant. So when the tan square A is added with 1, it is equal to secant square A. The third identity is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. So in this cot square A is added with 1, we will get cosecant square A. So now let's start with the examples. Let's see example number 12. Express the ratios cos A, tan A and secant A. So there are three ratios. First is cos A, second is tan A, third is secant A. So we have to express this three ratio in terms of sin A. मतलब क्या है कि आप तीनों रेशियो की जो मतलब एक्सप्रेस करना है अपने तीनों को इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन ए. मतलब cos का रिलेशन साइन में कैसे आएगा, ठीक है, tan का रिलेशन साइन के साथ कैसे आएगा, secant का रिलेशन कैसे आएगा, हमने वो फाइंड करना है. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट वी विल एक्सप्रेस दिस cos in terms of sin. So we will solve express this ratio by using these three identities. ठीक है, हम आइडेंटिटी को यूज करके ही एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. So first is cos A and we have to express it into sin A. So check here in which identity there are both ratio cos and sin. In first one, because in first one sin square A plus cos square is how much? 1. So right here we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So now we have to express this cos. So we will take this sin square A on right hand side. So it is cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Clear? Now we have power of cos is square. Power is here square. Now we will also take this square on other side. So it becomes cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square under root, or you can say square root. ठीक है, जब आप इस पावर स्क्वायर को लेके जाओगे राइट साइड में, तो उस साइड में जाकर राइट साइड में उसके जो मतलब वो पावर क्या बन जाएगी, स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगी. ठीक है, सो वैल्यू ऑफ cos A इज हाउ मच, अंडर रूट 1 minus sin square A. Now this is cos A and we can express this cos in terms of sin A. So this is first relation. Now next we will express this tan A in terms of sin A. Now we know that tan A is also written as sin A over cos A. We know that tan is how much, how we will get tan when we divided value of sin A with cos A. ठीक है, so आप tan A को लिख सकते हो sin A by cos A. Now we will express this tan in terms of sin A. ठीक है, अब न्यूमरेटर में चेक करो, फिर साइन तो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, बट डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, cos A. Now I will change this cos in terms of sin A. Now using the above relation, we know that cos A is equal to how much, square root of 1 minus sin square A. Now you will put the value of cos A, this one, in this denominator, 1 minus sin square A. So now see here, tan A can be expressed in terms of sin A. So you can write here tan A is equal to sin A upon under root 1 minus sin square A. Clear? So now let's see the third ratio, secant A. So now express the secant A in terms of sin A. Now we know that secant A is reciprocal of which ratio? Secant is reciprocal of cos A. So you can also write the secant A as 1 divided by cos A. And we already find the value of cos A in terms of sin A. So now you put again the value of cos A, this one. So it is 1 upon under root how much? 1 minus sin square A. So now you see here secant A is equal to how much? 1 divided by 1 minus sin square A. So this is the ratio of secant A in which we will express the secant A in terms of sin A. Clear, students? So these are very easy questions. You can also write sin square A as sin A whole square. It's the same thing. ठीक है, आप sin square A को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो sin A the whole square, but you can't write this sin A square. This is wrong. ठीक है, sin square A को आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो sin A ब्रैकेट पुट करके whole square. ठीक है, बट आप sin square A को ऐसे लिखोगे sin A square. This is wrong. Clear? So this is your example number 12. Now this is next example number 13 and example 14. So example 13 is prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. So we have to prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side. But it means we have to prove this value is equal to 1. So first you will write the secant A as how much? 1 by cos A. Clear, students? We will write the secant A as 1 by cos A, and this 1 minus sin A written as it is. आप इस 1 minus sin A को as it is ही लिखो जैसे वो है, ठीक है? आप ट्राई करोगे कि मोस्टली रेशियोज में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतलब कन्वर्ट करते हैं रेशियो को साइन या कॉस में, ठीक है? अगर मतलब कुछ भी सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा तो आप क्या करोगे, अगर साइन कॉस के अलावा जो भी रेशियो गिवन है जैसे कॉट है, टैन है, कॉट है, सेकंड है, इनको आप साइन कॉस में कन्वर्ट कर लोगे, ठीक है? सो यू विल राइट द सेकंड एज 1 by cos A. This 1 minus sin A is written as sin A, so you will not need to change this. Now this secant A again you will written as 1 by cos A because secant A is reciprocal of 1 by cos A. So tan is written as sin A by cos A. So write this sin A by cos A. ठीक है, आप पहले secant A को लिखोगे 1 by cos A, 1 minus sin A को as it is, secant A को 1 by cos A और tan A को sin A by cos A. Now next 1 by cos A, 1 minus sin A. Now you take the LCM in this term. So LCM is cos A. So it is written as cos A and 1 plus sin is the numerator. Alright. Now this, see here, 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Formula is 1 A plus A minus B, A plus B. It is the formula for A square minus B square. So what is A here? A is 1. So 1 square is 1. B is sin. So sin square is sin square A. Divided by cos A into cos A. So cos A into cos A is cos square A. Now in the numerator the term is 1 minus sin square A and denominator is cos square A. So what we can do here? So you can see the first identity. We know sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. So if you take the sin square on the other side, it is subtracted from 1. Then 1 minus sin square is equal to how much? Is equal to cos square A. So you will write this 1 minus sin square A as cos square A divided by cos square A. So this is cancelled. What is the answer? Answer is 1. Clear, students? So right here 1 is equal to RHS. In some questions लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. कुछ क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों में रेशियोज गिवन होती हैं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज. बट उन केसेस में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की जो रेशियो गिवन है वो राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल नहीं आती. तो आप उस केस में सेपरेटली सॉल्व करोगे. यू विल सॉल्व लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेपरेटली एंड राइट हैंड साइड सेपरेटली. ठीक है, जो एंड पे आंसर आएगा दोनों का वो आपका सेम होगा. So now see the example number 14. So you can see here left hand side and right hand side. There are given ratios on both hand side. ठीक है, मतलब दोनों तरफ यहाँ पर आपको ratios given है. Left hand side में ratio है cot और cos, and right hand side में ratio is cosecant. So now see here, cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. So first we will prove this left hand side. So cot A is written as cos A by sin A. Because tan is sin A by cos A, then cot is reciprocal of tan. So you can write this cot A as cos A by sin A. Minus how much? Cos A. Divided by cot A is again written as cos A by sin A plus cos A. Now you will see here from numerator taking cos A as common, and from denominator again you will take cos A as common. So when cos A is common, what should left here? 1 by sin A, 1 divided by sin A minus 1, and from denominator again you will take cos A as common. So it is cos A 1 by sin A plus how much? 1. Now this cos A cancel. Now what is 1 by sin A? Reciprocal of sin is cosecant A. So you will write this 1 by sin A as cosecant A minus 1. Again in denominator 1 by sin A is written as cosecant A plus 1. Now see here, cosecant A minus 1, cosecant A plus 1. It is equal. So right here is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Clear students? So this is the example number 13 and 14. Now this is the next example number 15. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. So we have to prove this by using the identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So you can see here on left hand side the ratio is sin and cos, but on right hand side the ratio is secant and tan theta. ठीक है, so left hand side ratio देखो sin और cos given है, but हमने जो identity use करनी है, we will use this identity secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. but यहाँ पे तो secant और tan given ही नहीं है, so आप पहले क्या करोगे, इन ratios को secant और tan theta में convert करो. ठीक है, so first ratio is sin. so अब आप sin से secant या tan में से क्या बना सकते हो? ठीक है, हम sin को tan में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय cos थीटा. ठीक है, अगर आप sin को डिवाइड करोगे cos से, so sin by cos is how much? tan theta. when we dividing this cos by cos, it is 1. ठीक है, अगर आप 1 को डिवाइड करोगे cos थीटा से, so 1 by cos is how much? it is secant theta. so we have to dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta. clear students? ठीक है, अगर सपोज कर लो ये कहते हैं कि आप यूज करोगे आइडेंटिटी दिस वन cos 1 plus cot square equal to cosecant square. so अब cot और cosecant कैसे बनेगा? अगर आप cos को डिवाइड करोगे sin से, then cos by sin is cot. when we dividing this 1 by sin, so 1 by sin is how much? cosecant. so then we will dividing both numerator and denominator by sin theta. clear students? but in this question we will dividing both numerator as well as denominator with the cos theta, because we will get secant and tan theta. so first write here left hand side. so write here dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta. so next sin by cos. so write here sin by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, and in denominator sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. so now it is sin by cos written as tan theta, cos by cos it is 1, and 1 by cos is secant theta. next again in denominator sin by cos is written as tan theta plus cos by cos cancel, it is written as 1. 1 by cos is secant theta. so you can see here now the ratio is tan and secant. So we can easily apply this identity. So next, what we can do, you will write this tan theta with secant theta. अब आप क्या करोगे, tan और secant को एक साथ लिख लोगे, सॉरी साइन इज है प्लस, बिकॉज secant के आगे साइन प्लस का साइन है, ठीक है। अब आप tan थीटा प्लस secant थीटा को कंबाइन करके लिखोगे, जो -1 है इसको अलग से लिखोगे साइड में, -1 in this way. Alright, you will write this tan plus secant in the bracket and take this -1 separately. Now in denominator आप इसको वैसे भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है, क्योंकि जो हम आइडेंटिटी यूज करेंगे, आइडेंटिटी हम सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर में यूज करेंगे, नॉट इन डिनोमिनेटर। क्लियर? सो डिनोमिनेटर को आप चाहे tan secant को कंबाइन करके लिख लो, चाहे वैसे लिख लो, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, tan plus secant theta. Now you can see here value is 1. So if secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, then we can write also secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 in this way. अगर secant square theta की वैल्यू 1 plus tan square है, अगर आप इस tan square theta को लेकर आओगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, then it is subtracted from secant square theta, then secant square minus tan square is equal to how much? 1. So now you can put the value of 1 this one. अब आप 1 की वैल्यू ये पुट करो, secant square minus tan square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by how much? Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta, tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now tan theta plus secant theta, अब इसको आप secant plus tan लिख सकते हो, because a plus b is equal to b plus a, ठीक है, 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, it's the same thing. So you can write tan plus secant as secant plus tan. Now see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta, a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? It is a plus b, a minus b. So you will put here secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, ठीक है। क्या करोगे, इसका फॉर्मूला पुट करोगे, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर का, a प्लस b, a माइनस b, वैल्यू ऑफ a is secant, वैल्यू ऑफ b is tan. ऑलराइट, नाउ डिवाइडेड बाय हाउ मच? tan थीटा प्लस 1 माइनस secant थीटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट, दिस इज अ सिंगल टर्म, दिस इज सिंगल टर्म. So what you can see here, from both of these two terms, which is common? Common is secant plus tan, secant plus tan. It is the same. So we will take common as secant plus tan theta. So secant theta plus tan theta is taken as common. So when we will take this common, so what should left here? 1. जब आप secant plus tan common लोगे तो यहाँ पर आपके पास 1 बच गया, ठीक है। Sign is here, which one? Minus. And from here, what is left? Secant theta minus tan theta divided by how much? Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Alright. So now the next step is write the secant theta plus tan theta as it is. Secant theta plus tan theta as it is. Now we open these brackets. Alright. So it is 1 minus secant theta minus minus plus minus minus plus divided by, write this, tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta, tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. So now see here, from numerator and denominator, these two terms should be same. The sign before 1 is plus, here also plus, sign before secant is minus, minus, sign before tan is plus, plus. So this is same, you should cancel this. So now what is left? Secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta. But on right hand side, The value is 1 upon secant minus 10. So now what we can do? So you can solve this right hand side separately or you can rationalize this term. चाहे तो आप इस right hand side को separately solve करो or you can rationalize this term. So when we rationalize this, here ratio is secant theta plus tan theta. So when we rationalize, the sign becomes changed. It is negative. So you can multiply and dividing by which term? Secant minus tan theta. Alright students, ठीक है. अगर आप rationalize करोगे तो sign change होगा. अगर suppose here term is secant minus tan, so then secant plus tan divided by secant plus tan. फिर sign plus का आएगा. But here sign is plus, so when you rationalize, the sign becomes minus. It becomes negative. Alright. So now again see that formula. A plus B, A minus B. Value of A secant theta, value of B is tan theta. So it is A square minus B square. So what is secant square? Secant square theta minus B square. Tan square is tan square theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Now we know that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So when you will take this tan square on left hand side, it is subtracted from secant square, and secant square minus tan square is equal to how much? 1. So its value secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. So right here 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Now see here 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta, 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. Clear students? So this is your last example of this chapter 8, example number 15. Now you have to try to solve the first 4 question first, second, third and fourth of exercise 8.4. Thank you.